Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a web browser on your Google TV streamer. So you can start searching the internet or watch some like URL links or something like that. And this is actually very simple to do. All you have to do is search for one. And I've been using this browser one, and this one seems like it's actually decent. So I'm going to close this down. And if you go to like third-party apps and stuff, you could probably download something a little bit better. But if you're just going through the App Store, just type in browser or say browser, and get this one specifically right here. This one seems like it's decent. Otherwise, you have tons of different options to try through here. The first one, browser TV, browse here. Just look at the rating. This one has a 4.3 rating. That one doesn't seem too bad either. Let's go back over to that other browser one and just type this in, browser. So yeah, you get a bunch of different options. This one's got 4.6, so this one might be a little bit better still. So check this one out. Just simply type in browser. You got all your quick links, bookmarks at the top. You got the Google Play Store. I wonder what this does when we go to this one. Well, it just brings me here. And I don't think that's linked to my Google TV streamer app at all, but here's Gmail, Bing, Reddit. Okay, so we got all these different bookmarks on the top here, my history. I went to the Google Play Store, my downloads, and then we got this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.